Hello guys, I'm so sorry I've not been sticking to a regular pattern of posting. I promise to do much better. So today I'll be doing one of Nigeria's finest soups. But before then, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Alright, let's get started. So we first start by steaming our meat. If you have a raw meat here, you just wash it very well, steam it. But the meat I'm using is already cooked down, yes, so I'm not going to be cooking it for long. I have some goat meat, cow meat, snails, and then stockfish. I'll just be seasoning with my pepper. As a Nigerian, I like it hot. I like my food hot. Pouring your pepper and water and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Now do not forget to season your proteins. Yes, because you wouldn't want your food to taste bland. You add your seasoning cube, any seasoning cube of your choice. Add some salt and crayfish, of course. I do tell people, what's an Igbo woman without crayfish? Or what's a Nigerian without crayfish? Most times when we cook food, if crayfish is not being added to the soup, that soup is not complete. Alright, so cover and allow this to boil for some time, and let's go back to our pot and check this. Now we're going to be adding our palm oil. As soon as the palm oil goes in, you cover and allow to cook. And now you go in with your thickener. Here I'm using ofo. You can also use achi or cocoyam, yes, powdered cocoyam or the fresh cocoyam. You boil and pound or blend it and add to this. Now the purpose of adding all this achi or four cocoyam I mentioned is to thicken the soup. As soon as you add it, you cover and allow that thickener to boil and mix. Now you can see from the look of this that the thickener is already at work. Yes. Now you're going with your oha leaf. Remember I said one of Nigeria's finest soup from the eastern parts. Yes, oha soup. So the moment you go in with your leaf, you just stir and cover. Allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. You wouldn't want to overcook the veggies, yes, because we still want it very fresh. And voila, your oha soup is ready. Now you can eat it with whichever swallow you choose to. Pounded yam, semovita, gari, whatever swallow of your choice. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like and share this video, and also do well to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Yes, and leave nice comments as well. If you have any question concerning the soup, you can also drop it in the comment section. Until my next video, bye.